We are in that time of a year when it gets dark at 4 p.m. and the only light you will see for 16 hours a day is when you open the fridge door and stare inside, wondering if pickles count as dinner. You find yourself opening the door again and again, as if the contents might change, as if one of these times it might actually open to Disneyland, or grandmother's cellar, which is pretty much the same. It's a strange thing, this fridge. The door is open, light is on, there's hope inside. It is basically a church. And inside there are pickles that once were fresh and healthy, but not now. But they are still alive. Just like me. Soon it will change, because Christmas with all the eating is not very far away. But for now, it is just cold light and a yellow plastic box that I am afraid to open.